genius. Well, you know that movie Scarlet's Web?
The spider thing?
Yeah, I love that movie, but it's really expensive to buy at well-known retail stores.
So?
Do you by any chance know where a girl might find a cheaper copy?
Silly rabbit, Twix are for kids. Uh-oh.
There's a spider back there.
That's okay. Derek, you made a mess with the cereal, and the dogs are eating it. Derek, you made a mess with the cereal.
Cheap entertainment.
You gonna help eat it, Lindsay? Come on, guys. I'm gonna use a sweeper here real quick. Look at that mess. Oh my goodness. Alright, I gotta get the sweeper out here. We got a mess.